If you're afraid of store-bought stuff and don't want your child to reach out to market junk, make it at home instead. Make their favorite treats and chocolates at home. Let us make chocolate chips at home without sugar and butter today. So for this recipe I have used 2 tablespoons of homemade cashew butter, and I have already shared the recipe. 2 teaspoons of cacao powder or cocoa powder if you don't have cacao powder. But remember, cacao powder lends everything an intense chocolatey flavor. Blend if you want to make unsweetened chocolate chips. You may use your blender or processor for this process. Otherwise, if you want to make these sweeter, add liquid sweetener of choice. You may use any liquid sweetener. I have used 1 teaspoon of honey, but you may use maple syrup to make these vegan chocolate chips that are without extra butter or sugar or even chocolate. The process is really simple if you have cashew butter handy. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator and enjoy in cookies, cakes, biscuits, and whatnot, even ice creams. Paro will love these chocolate chips, I'm sure. I hope you enjoyed the process to make homemade chocolate chips at home without sugar, butter, or chocolate. If you do, please hit the like button. And please stay tuned for more healthy recipes coming your way. Stay safe, stay blessed until we meet next.